Yes, come on. Exercise 8.4, question number 5, first part. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. What is given? Cosec theta minus cot theta. It is given to you. So what I am going to do, I am converting in 1 upon, like cosec theta is what? 1 upon sin theta, and cot theta is what? Cos theta upon sin theta. Whole square is there. Okay, now I'm taking LCM. LCM is what? Sin theta, and whole square is there. After taking LCM, what will come? 1 minus cos theta. Okay, now see, this very important one. Numerator I am keeping as it is, whole square, and down sin theta square is there, so I can write sin square theta. Okay, what is sin square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and here 1 minus cos theta whole square. It means what? 1 minus cos theta whole square means you have to write 2 times 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, divide by, this is 1 minus cos square theta, so I can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by the formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. So this term to this term cut. So what will be the answer? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is RHS. Yes, come on the next question. Question number 5, second part. What is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A? This you have to prove. See, in LHS, what you can take? You can take LCM, no? So I am taking LCM here. What LCM will come? 1 plus sin A into cos A. See, 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A you divide it, then what will come? Cos A. So cos A into cos A, this will be cos square A. Okay, now divide cos A here. You divide when cos A, then cos A to cos A cut. What is remaining? 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A is already here, and into 1 plus sin A, this will be 1 plus sin A whole square. So this will be cos square A, and this is a plus b whole square. Do you know what is a plus b whole square? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square? Is 1 square is 1, 2ab, 1 into sin A is sin A, plus b square is like this, upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. This is in denominator. Okay, now you check. See, cos square A and plus sin square A. What is sin square plus cos square? Is 1. So I am writing 1 here. 1 is already here, and plus 2 sin A is remaining, upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2, plus 2 sin A upon, here down what will come? Denominator 1 plus sin A into cos A. 2 take out common, 1 plus sin A. Okay, down see, 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A to 1 plus sin A cut. ओके, तो क्या बचेगा? 2 अपॉन कॉस ए है, ठीक है, 2 अपॉन कॉस ए को क्या लिख सकते हैं? दैट इज 2 sec A, एंड दिस इज योर आंसर. Yes, come on. Exercise 8.4, question number 5, third part. It is very important one. What is the question? Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay, what to do? First of all, you have to convert tan theta in terms of sine and cos, cot theta in terms of cos upon sine. Okay, so on place of tan theta, what can I write? Sin theta upon cos theta. On place of cot theta, what can I write? Cos theta upon sin theta. Here also, on place of cot theta, cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 minus, that is your sin theta upon cos theta, is equal to, now what to do? Numerator keep same as it is. See, this is the numerator. In denominator I am taking LCM. What is the LCM? Sin theta. Okay, then what will come? Sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. In these two, what is the LCM? Cos theta. Then after taking LCM, what will come? Cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. This is the way. Now sin theta upon cos theta is there, and denominator's reciprocal I am taking. For taking the reciprocal, what to do? For taking the reciprocal of this, numerator same as it is, and reciprocal of this sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta, and what is the reciprocal of this? This reciprocal of this cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so what is in your numerator? Just you see, sin theta into sin theta, this will be sin square theta. Here what will come? Cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, plus cos square theta. What will come in numerator? That is sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, one more very important step I am going to do here, that is sin square theta upon this term as it is. See carefully, it is very important one. Okay, numerator as it is, this sin theta I am writing sin theta as it is. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am taking minus sign from these two, taking out minus sign, then minus will be here. Then this will be minus cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, if I take minus sign, then minus into plus, this will be minus. Then this will be minus cos theta plus sin theta. So I can write like this. This is same as it is, minus cos theta plus sin theta. Now I can take easily LCM. In LCM, what will come? See here, sin theta, cos theta, and sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta is here. If both will divide it, then what will be remaining? Sin theta into sin square theta, this will be sin cube theta. Here sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta, this will be cos cube theta. Okay, so what is a cube minus b cube? What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? Formula of a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. This is a minus b means what? Sin theta minus cos theta, and here a square plus ab. AB means sin theta and cos theta plus b square cos square theta. What will be in the denominator? Like this. This is your sin theta cos theta. This is very important one, very important question. All steps are very important. this to this cut, and this sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So can I write here 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta? Okay, now I am separating 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, so can I write this is 1 upon sin theta, this is your cosec theta, 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, and this to this cut plus 1. This is just like your RHS, no? 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Same thing, this is your RHS.